Hey Bearcats, just 3 blocks from campus and right next to Stetson Square, which has a ton of restaurants and shops. We're at the Eden. Let's check out the inside.
Welcome Bearcats! My name is Sarah Alicia. I'm a third year neurobiology major with a minor in economics on the pre-med track. Today I'll be giving you a tour of one-bedroom apartment at the Eden, so come on in! So right over here we have the kitchen. First off, Eden provides us with our own refrigerator, and we have a stove and an oven over here. And then lots of cabinet spaces. I usually love to store all my dishes over here and my snacks on the other side. And I also have some of my baking stuff on top of the refrigerator. Besides that, there's also cabinet space in the bottom and an oven. Eden also provides a dishwasher, so you can always have clean dishes in the morning. I love to load my dishes in the night. So that's a really huge amenity as a college student. And then some of the stuff that I bought with me was like an air fryer, toaster, so you can always get that. Besides that, I also have some of my spices over here, just like whenever I want to cook. And you can also like decorate your fridge with like little magnets, just make it more personalized. And then over here we have our washer and dryer, which I'll be showing you. Moving to the living room, Eden provides us with all the furniture that we have over here. Like we get our own set of sofa and like a side chair with also a side table. There's another one over there and a TV stand if you guys want to get your TV to the Eden. And then I also made it personalized by getting some decoration pieces, and I got a projector because Eden has really clean walls, so you can always set up your own projector and have your friends over and have a game night, stuff like that. And I usually just like whenever I'm done with the day, I watch like Grey's Anatomy at night, and the projector is a huge help. And I really love how it projects on the wall because it's super clear and just brings a lot to the space. Over here we have an outdoor to the balcony. You can always go out, and there's a lounge area outside. There's like a grill station and a club room, and there's a pool there. So if you're living on the first floor like me, you can always have your friends and family over, just go out to the balcony and sit there in the lounge area and just have a really great view of the Eden. So this is my favorite part of the Eden, is my bedroom. So here Eden provides us with a single bedroom, and then over here we have desk and a chair that's also provided by the university. To make it more personalized to myself, I have some of my paintings over here, so you can always hang those up. And then I also have like a little side table to my bed where I like to read and just like charge my phone at night. I really love the desk and the chair because it gives you a lot of space. Like you have like 3 different drawers where you can store all your supplies, school stuff, books. I really love the space because I use it every time. And then I also, this drawer, you can set it up however you want. You can always put it back in because it's reversible. I usually just like to have my laptop here so I can just put all my books on the other side. And then I love how like the view, I can just like look outside when I'm studying and just have more decoration stuff over here. And then over here I just have a little something that's personalized to me that gives me motivation throughout my college years. So I just have like pictures of people I love and just a lot of like motivation quotes and stuff like that that people have given to me. Eden also provides you with a walk-in closet from your bedroom, so you can have all this space to yourself. Just store your clothes, your jewelry, your shoes. Like if you're a girl, then Eden is your place because you have tons of space to close all your stuff. Lots of stuff on the top, and there's also a mirror inside the closet room, so you can always whenever you dress up in the morning, you can always have that full-length mirror. And yeah. Connected to the closet, we have the bathroom over here. So it has a tub and then toilet and then a sink. And then there's also a mirror attached to it. And again, lots of cabinet space to store your stuff. So I moved in last semester at the Eden. It's been a huge upgrade because I was living in Schneider Hall last year, so it's been a big upgrade from a suite style to an apartment style. Some of the amenities that I love at the Eden is that they have their own gym, and it's literally like 30 seconds from my room, so it's like a huge amenity to be at. And then another thing was there's always a pool open during the first like half of the semester, and we have like study lounges upstairs, so I really love to go there whenever I need like somewhere quiet to go and I don't feel like studying at my room. And besides that, we also have like a club room where there's like a TV and there's a lot of like space to connect with other residents on campus or like here. So I really love that about the Eden. We literally have like 4 shuttles that come back and forth to the Eden, and it's just really nice to have that. And besides that, the walk isn't that bad. It's literally like 7 minutes to campus. I really love to go to OTG for dining, for food or like dinner. So like it's just really nice to have that shuttle experience, and you can just walk from here, and it wouldn't be that bad during especially like winter season. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment at the Eden. Thank you for tagging along with me. Go Bearcats!